My name is Mike Guerra. I work for AT&T. I'm a director in product marketing in the FirstNet organization, and I have the privilege to manage the Next Generation 911 portfolio. The mission for Next Generation 911 is really to shave seconds off of an event. And it's to enable everything you and I do with our cell phones, with our family and friends, to be able to do with a 911 call taker. And there's a lot of computing power, there's a lot of security concerns, there's a lot of reliability concerns. And the partnership between AT&T, Next Generation 911, and AWS GovCloud based solutions like Carbine's Apex 911 really opens up a tremendous opportunity in the industry for adoption. You know, when I think about 911 and the importance of it, I'm extremely proud to work for AT&T. We were there 50 years ago for the first 911 call, and we're leading the way in Next Generation 911. We are one of the few nationwide 911 platforms, and it really allows us to service the whole country. When we looked for key partners, AWS GovCloud was a clear candidate, right? A clear, solid choice for us to partner with. Their presence, their ability to serve the country with full reliability was critical to us. And as we brought the partnership together, we were seeing benefits that we hadn't even planned on. AT&T is extremely proud to be partnering with AWS GovCloud, and we can absolutely say that this partnership is helping to save lives. One recent example where AWS GovCloud really helped in an emergency or during the recent hurricanes. A lot of 911 centers were underwater, people weren't able to get there. So the partnership between AT&T and AWS GovCloud really enabled remote workers to log in anywhere and take calls while they would have been stranded trying to get to their center. So the other trend inside of public safety, and like I said earlier, the mission of Next Generation 911 is to really enable all the multimedia that we are able to do with our family and friends, but be able to do that during the most important call you'll ever make to a 911 call taker, right? So sharing video of a fire and letting them know what type of truck they would have to send or what direction to send the trucks is really important. And again, helps save lives by shaving seconds off of that call. And the need for multimedia is really burdening the on-premise equipment that most 911 call centers have today. And the need to move that hardware from the premise base where you have limited capacity and computing power to the cloud is really critical to allow the 911 call takers to adopt this technology. And if you stay reliant on the prem base, that adoption will be much slower. So one of the trends we've talked about is the movement from a prem-based solution to a cloud-based solution in the 911 environment. And that is really critical as we talk about enabling all the multimedia that we want to share with a 911 call taker to help reduce the response time. And I would really recommend to any agency or 911 centers that looking at it to take a really good look at the AT&T Next Gen 911 solution, partnered with AWS GovCloud, to really bring a highly reliable, government-grade security platform that they could depend on and know it's going to be there when they need it.